A Caukantaw is a ball made from scandal bags and is used mainly for playing cricket. It is made by rolling the desired amount of plastic bags over a hot surface which fuse them all into one single ball. The color of the ball is determined by the color of the plastics used. To make a Caukantaw, you will need scandal bags, flat metal sheet such as zinc, a smooth flat wood, firewood, and a fire pit. Procedures: gather firewood and start a fire in a dugout pit or with 3 stones for elevation. Place the zinc atop the flame and wait for it to heat enough to melt plastic. Roll several scandal bags into a ball and place them on top of the hot zinc. Use the flat wood to roll them until they become round and rubbery. Add another bag to the mass and another when the current one has melted. Continue rolling the ball each time. The color and the size of the ball is determined by the color and the amount of bags used. When the ball is finished, remove the zinc from the flame and keep rolling until the plastic has hardened. Now that the ball is complete, it is time to take it for a spin in the game of cricket.